Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Pregnancy can be a difficult and tiring time for animals, especially when they have no safe place to be. Stray animals go through this every single day, and without anyone to care for them, it's unlikely that either them or their puppies will survive the ordeal. Too weak to find a decent place to give birth to her puppies, this stray dog dug a hole underneath some construction equipment in order to get out of the hot Arizona sun. She already had pieces of debris and wire embedded in her matted fur coat, revealing a not-so-happy life when construction workers finally found her. Taking pity on her plight, they worked to help dig the dog out, using only their bare hands. A wife of one of the workers made a call to Saving Paws Rescue AZ to see what could be done for the poor pooch. They drove up in 106-degree weather bearing blankets, kennels, and a lead to help get the mother dog out. They were already prepared for. They managed to get her out eventually, as well as her 4 puppies. Taken to the local shelter, they could start to recover. Later, a proper forklift was brought to the premises, where they discovered 2 more puppies that were still alive and well, and were reunited with their mama soon. Now named Stormy, she and her pups are waiting in a foster home until the puppies are old enough and in good health to be adopted.